Alright everyone, in this tutorial we are going to look at the assignment submission procedure. So the first thing you're going to have to do is log into Moodle or open LMS and go to the course in which you want to submit an assignment. Once your course has loaded up, you need to scroll down to find an assignment that you need to submit something to. So if you look here, you can see on this assignment the due date and that nothing has been submitted to it. When we select on it, up here at the top you can see what the due date was. You can also see some information about the assignment. And over here on the right we can see some information about our current submission. Currently there's nothing submitted here. So we're going to go back and take a look at another assignment. We can see the due date and we can see that it's indicated something was submitted. When we click on it, we see the due date and late submissions are allowed on this until a future date. And over here on the right, we have our file submission information. So we can see we have this file submitted, we have comments from the instructor, we have status of the grade or an actual grade, and we also have a last modified and an edit submission button for making changes. So let's go ahead and go to another assignment that isn't past due. Here we can see that the due date is in green and nothing submitted. So clicking on it, we can see up here in the top left corner that we still have 6 days left on this before it's due. And over here we have our add submission button, which we didn't have before. Clicking on it, we can actually add right here a file. So if we click choose file, we can pick anything from our hard drive and open and then upload this file, and it will save it to the assignment for us. Here we can see it and we can verify it's there. We can also see that we have accepted file types here. These are the only ones that it'll allow to be submitted to this. Clicking save changes adds the file to the submission and shows that it's ready to be graded by the instructor. And that's all there is to this. You should now be able to easily submit an assignment from here on out. And you can always come back and watch this as many times as you need until you've got it down. Good luck and enjoy the rest of your semester.